Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make the sweet and spicy Caribbean jerk chicken wings recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe that you don't want to miss. So if you guys are interested to see how I make this recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, you will need 2 pounds of chicken wings. We're going to go right in and season these beautiful wings with some extra virgin olive oil, complete seasoning, garlic powder to add lots of flavor, sea salt, ground black pepper and paprika seasoning. We're also going to add some brown sugar and our favorite jerk sauce. You can also use a dry seasoning for this recipe. Dry jerk seasoning mix very well. This is what our wings looks like. We're going to go right ahead and place these beautiful wings onto our baking rack. We're going to set the wings to bake for 15 minutes. We're going to get our sauce ready for these beautiful wings. So inside of my bowl I have about a teaspoon of unsalted butter. We're going to add some lime juice to the butter. Next we're going to add our low sodium soy sauce. We're going to go in with some ketchup. Next we're going to add some teriyaki sauce, which is optional for this recipe. We're going to give that a very nice mix. We're going to remove the wings from the oven and coat the wings into this delicious sauce. Make sure to coat the back of the wings as well. We're going to place the wings back into the oven to bake for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, I will show you guys what the wings looks like. So after baking for 25 minutes more, this is what the wings looks like. Absolutely beautiful, and the smell is so delicious. We're going to take the wings off the baking rack, place them in the bowl. We're going to pour the rest of the sauce onto these beautiful wings. Once I'm done, I'm going to show you guys the final results of this sweet and spicy jerk chicken wings recipe. So just go right ahead and pour the sauce onto these beautiful wings. Give that a very nice mix. And this is the final results, guys. Came out so beautiful, as you guys can see. Nice brown color. Looks absolutely flavorful. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. So I went ahead and pair my wings with some ketchup on the side. My favorite French fries on the side. And it was a complete meal, guys. The sauce complements the entire recipe. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as I enjoy making this sweet and spicy Caribbean chicken wings recipe. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hope to see all your beautiful friends in my next video. Take care. Bye guys.